how to construct the 5 marketing components that you need to guide customers through this process. This includes number 1, a one-liner, number 2, a website, number 3, lead generators, number 4, nurture email campaigns, and number 5, sales email campaigns. These elements work together in order to move people through that 3-step process. So let's quickly cover all 5 of them so that you get a rough sense of how this process works. Number 1 is a one-liner, and the idea here is if you're going to create curiosity around your product or service, you need a very succinct way to explain exactly how you can help someone solve a problem or meet an important need. And so right out of the gate, we draw in curiosity by quickly and succinctly describing how we can help. The second component is a website. And the idea here is once somebody is curious, once they want to learn more about your business, a website allows them to educate themselves about exactly what you do and how you can help solve their problem. So this is very much under the enlightenment stage. The third component is lead generators. And the idea here is when somebody becomes a little bit more interested in your business, you want to have a simple way to capture their contact information when you give them a free PDF report or a video series. You're looking to demonstrate that you can help solve a problem. So it's very important that whatever you're offering at this stage actually helps them move forward and begin to solve the underlying problem that your product can provide a solution around. The fourth component is nurture email campaigns. The idea here is people aren't always ready to buy immediately after learning about your product or service. So what we want to do is we want to send them regular, valuable emails so that not only are we continuing to nurture the relationship, but we're continuing to have our brand be present in their life. So whenever they see an email in their inbox, they not only recognize that we're trying to create value for them, but they're also reminded that we exist. And when they're ready to buy, they're that much more likely to engage with our brand. The fifth and final component is sales email campaigns. And this is where we simply ask for the sale. We let them know that our product or service can help them, and we ask them to make a commitment by buying our product or signing up for our service or engaging with our business in some other meaningful way.